Hello there YouTube, this is Lucas Siegel. We did a car brake job on my 1979 Camaro Z28, so this will be the taking apart video. Enjoy. Remember to always put safety first and that I cannot be held accountable for any dumb things you may do while working on the car.
Got the jack stands in position. We're going to lower it down nice and easy. Okay. And we'll leave the hydraulic jack there just for added safety. Now we're ready to take off the tires. Okay, we got our 3/4 inch socket, 6-point, so we don't strip the bolts at all. And we're going to remove the tires. Okay, we got our rotors, our calipers, and then our old brake lines. We're also going to remove the hub assembly here and replace both the inner and the outer wheel bearings. Okay, we got our 3/8 drive with our 3/8 hex bit socket to remove our calipers. That's one bolt. Go ahead. Okay, our other bolts off. And this see if you can pull that off.
How exactly would it pull off? It's just kind
Straight. Straight back.
Straight out?
Yep. There we go.
No brakes.
Yep.
So these are the pads?
Those are your pads.
Those are metal.
Huh?
Those are metal. There is no pad.
Huh?
Right?
Oh, there's a pad.
Where?
Yep. Well, it looks. Holy crap.
Well, I said.
They're pretty bad. But there's your rivets down there.
Yeah. So if it got to the rivets, then that would be the worst.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, these are shot. You can't drive. You can't drive with these.
Yeah.
Is that a nest inside there, or is that just stuff?
Ah, it's just stuff.
Yeah. so free flowing now.
Yeah.
Yep. That's your bearings. That's your bearings.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
So actually, they don't sound that bad. I mean,
Yeah, and
they're
smooth.
pretty free flowing. Okay, we're gonna remove the caliper from the line. Okay, go ahead.
Hold the bucket in. The bucket. The bucket.
Alright, get it with your finger. Make sure you catch as much as you can.
I think you might have accident. Okay, I think you're good. No, I think you're okay.
Luke, stop.
Alright, just tip the caliper up. Tip it up so it doesn't trip anymore, and then... Okay.
So next we're going to remove the old brake line hoses so that we can put on the new ones.
Clip. Just take the clip and pry it up. There's the clip. Holds the line in. Well, basically, and basically soak them with the knocker loose from CRC. And we let them sit overnight. And loosen them up. Once you get them loose, just spin it off. That's it. The brake line's still there. Ready for the new hose. That's it. Are you doing the brake cleaner? Alright. Okay. There's the Carter pin. Wow. I wonder if he did that right.
That looks pretty mangled.
Yeah. Okay, we got the Carter pin. And what do we need? This just comes off? Oh wow. That's easy. Okay, the flat side goes on there. Okay.
There's a washer, pull on it. And just pull out on the rotor.
On the rotor?
Yeah, and the problems will come right out. Push back on it and you can get to the bearing.
Okay. We got the washer. Goes on like that. We got bearings. Little bearings. Now this comes off. Wow. Okay.
And now at this point, get it over to
So what, we got the other bearings are in here?
No, the bearings are in the rotor.
Oh, they're in there? These?
You pull the front one, the smaller one.
Yeah.
Then you got the back one, the bigger one.
Okay.
And there's that seal on that rotor.
There's a seal?
Yep.
On here?
Yep.
So we got the other.
You gotta pull the seal out to get that bearing. out.
There's a seal right here.
Mhm.
So how does that come out?
Use a tool for backyard screwdriver. Pry it out.
Or we don't.
Block of wood, rubber
Yeah.
screwdriver.
Well, we don't have to do it, right?
Yep.
Huh?
We
We
don't.
got new ones.
Good, yeah.
So okay.
So at this point, I would take like brake cleaner, break down that oil, clean that.
All this,
shaft.
yeah?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You want to clean the surface.
Okay.
Then the slides where the rotor, the caliper goes. That also should be clean. These guys.
Okay. Spray the heck out of it, I guess.
You got a pan, put it in there.